One of two fields yields 2/3 sila per SAR. The second yields 1/2 sila per SAR. The yield of the first field is 500 sila more than that of the second. The area of the two fields together is 1800 SAR. How large is each field? What we first did is set up a system of equations. So 2/3 x minus 1/2 y equals 500, and x plus y equals 1800, where x and y are the respective values of the first and the second field. So what the Babylonians would do to begin to solve this problem is assume a false position. That is, assume certain values of x and y that are probably false, and then carry out the equation from there. So they first would assume that x and y were both equal to 900, which is half of 1800. So from there we would plug 900 into this equation. So 2/3 of 900 minus 1/2 of 900 equals 600 minus 450, which equals 150. So 150 isn't exactly the value we're looking for. We're looking for 500. So let's find the difference between these two values to see how much it's off by. So 500 minus 150 equals 350. Something that the Babylonians also observed is that any 1 unit increase in x and also any 1 unit decrease in y would result in an increase of this equation by 7/6. So 2/3 plus 1/2 equals 7/6. So we know that the results of these equations, 150 and 500, 150 is off of the true value by about 350, and the values for x and y are both off by a factor of 7/6. So to find the true values of x and y, we need to set up this equation. We need to set up 350 equals 7/6 s. And what s is the value that we need to either add or subtract to 900 to find the true values of x and y. So we've solved this equation and see that s is equal to 300. So 300 is what we need to add to x and subtract to y to find the true values. So x equals 900 plus 300 equals 1200, and y equals 900 minus 300, which is equal to 600. And just to check our work to make sure that it fits the system of equations, we can plug that into both of these equations. So 2/3 times 1200 minus 1/2 times 600 equals 800 minus 300, which equals 500. So that's correct. And also 1200 plus 600 equals 1800. So that value is also correct. And we have solved the system of equations and solved the problem.